Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Olajang Lasari with name 21,156. I will present the journal that I took about blue economy development in Indonesia. I'll start with the introduction. Instead, the productivity and income of the poor directly relate to the provision of health and access to the education. Also argued that facilities like water supply, sanitation, etc. shall be provided publicly to assure with spending. What is necessary to mention that developing countries considered such approach as possibility to influence their independence and sovereignty. Instead, that productivity and income of the poor directly relate to the provision of health and access to the education. Also argued that facilities like water supply, sanitation, etc. shall be provided publicly to assure waste spending. What is necessary to mention that developing countries considered such approach as possibility to influence their independence and sovereignty. Literature review. Indonesia is represented by a variety diversity of ethnical groups. Immigrant families are mostly Chinese, Indian, and or Arab origin. Before the sovereignty in 1945, the number of printing material was issued in the Dutch language. After independence, the public material mostly as Indonesian dialects, Chinese, and Dutch language. The official language of the country is Indonesian or Bahasa Indonesia. The large number of languages are used in the country. They are all interrelated, are creating the Malago-Polynesian group in 2015. Indonesian was the five-star GHG emitter. The main cause are respiratory infection. Air pollution is one of the main factors affecting children mortality. It is necessary to note that most of the emissions in Indonesia are not due to industrial activity. 38% originate from peatland, mainly due to fires. 35% is due to change in land use. Methodology. This research aims to highlight the possibilities to enhance blue economy development in Indonesia. Literature review and focus group discussion were conducted to collect Indonesia profile and potential factors to be development in blue economic strategic planning in Indonesia. The member of PGD are the academic and university students from variety area of student study in Indonesia and hosted by the academic and keynote speaker from Institute of Technology 10 November Surabaya and Heriot Watt University, United Kingdom. Result and discussion. The output production is defined from total basic GRDP as average Indonesian share of fishing. The data received consistent with provided share of basic GRDP for agriculture, fishing, and forestry. Capital defined by internal food expenditure on fish product and labor is considered as regional employment rate. That proves the marginal quantity of labor to be more influential on fishing production than regional expenditure on fish product. Since the level of employment influence the production, thus engagement of female labor force could bring additional benefit to regional GDP growth. However, the diversification of activity is important to keep the level of fishing at environmentally sustainable level. Since increase in labor and technological approach could see the yield and result in the environmentally inconsistent output. Conclusion. Land considered to be a highly political issue that historically resulted in wars. Legislative aspect of the country's called bring correction of the discussion for the economic again decided to start activity in the sector. Consider renewable energy project what required rather large land plot with specific location that to resource availability. Measure of marine and land planning is rather intelligible. Even the system is observationally interacts, integrate coastal zone management were offered as a solution. However, implementation was faced difficulties thus to scope and geographical constraint. Marine spatial planning is a public process of analyzing and allocating the spatial and temporal distribution of human activities in marine area. That's all the presentation I can give regarding blue economic development in Indonesia. If there are any shortcoming in my presentation, I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.